Okay. It's inserting the cassette into the two cassette loader. Pushes it in place with her lock. Second cassette. Safety door. Screen printer is printing. Second robot will come in with the edge gripping head. This mechanical snugger edge grip placed on across the belt. So we have screen printer with mechanical snugger or AutoVision. We have a 2 cassette magazine individual partitioned cassettes. We have a robot that's fully programmable that takes the printed parts off, grips it by the edge, transports it onto the dryer, comes through the dryer. On the other end of the dryer, which is incomplete at the moment, has the cover off, there's another robot, picks up that row and puts it back into cassette.